Dude, I saw a TikTok of Iggy Azalea.
She's still around?
Dude, she's got a fucking dumpy, dude. Like, oh.
That's how you start.
Morning guys, rolling into Fueled Up this morning. It is September 11th, so definitely a shout out to our first responders, our military, our police, and all those gentlemen and women that take care of us and watch out for us to keep us safe.
Oh, you were bougie. You got Starbucks.
Yeah, it's bad. Yeah, I had a gift card.
Definitely gonna be a good one today. We've probably got near 400 plus cars coming out last I saw. Should be a good one. Got the exotic guy showing up. And then this area right over here we're driving into right now is our what we call Mustang Alley. And our good friend Austin, who has a Super Snake, this really beautiful car, he first set this up when we first started doing Fueled Up, excuse me. And you get a whole row of Mustangs. Two of our guys actually drive Mustangs, so their car's already parked over here representing. But this is what we do here at Fueled Up. Get the cars out, bring a good show off everything, sit, chill, talk, see the different vehicles. Just fun time, guys. I mean, ain't nothing but just coming in and hanging out and having a good time. That's what Car Meet's all about.
Well, I don't really like Max
He loves me.
too much.
I missed last week, so this week we're making up for it. And then we're gonna go get brunch after this too. Saturday.
The camera just refuses to focus on you, Max. Even the camera's like, this guy's too fucking ugly.
He's trying to start something. Come on.
Yo!
He's trying to start something, man. Shit.
No, dude, I'm not lying. I'm like, it just won't focus. It'll focus on everything else but Max.
It's probably because I'm taller and you're down here.
Oh,
Damn, shots fired back.
Oh, man. Can you arrest people for genuine stupidity?
Can you arrest him for that question?
There's stupidity.
Hey, can you put him in handcuffs?
Where's Rohan? All we see is a mugshot of him. The guy went to jail.
Can we borrow your cuffs?
Like, take everyone that comes to our events, right? Yeah. What do you think the average percentage is of people that know how to park? I'd say like 20% of people know how to park.
Challenger, he's gonna try to get in on your end. He's not registered. We already told him to go to the other place to go park for spectators.
We got a criminal on our hands.
Oh yeah.
He's that one pulling in right now. Tyler's on his way.
He always tries to get in for free, and he always has to pay.
Ooh, you got some great content, boys.
Is this the blue one?
This is the Crocodile Dundee right here for cars. About to go hunt him
I
down.
don't know if he's gonna try
Get
it
him.
there or not, but
They just let him in.
say that again.
They just let him in. Guys, did y'all check his registration?
Logan, stop that Challenger. Stop the Challenger and check his registration and make sure it's real. The one to your left. Him, stop. Yeah, it's the light blue Challenger. You'll see him. He keeps on going straight. So if you see him try to come in at your end, oh, it's light blue. Light blue. Yeah, I saw him pulling out. It was a different one.
Not the right one.
Light blue, not dark blue.
Morning, guys. We're here at Fueled Up Dallas with my good buddy Matt Holden. He's got an amazing YouTube account, Uninfluenced, and he also has a really special car that we kind of want to feature today, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about it.
First off, the channel name was wrong. It's called Pornhub Casting Couch. No, I'm just kidding. So this is a 2020 Mercedes AMG GTR Pro. A lot of people think the GTR and the GTR Pro is the same car. They're totally different. Only 150 of these came to the United States. It's pushing about 900 crank horsepower right now without meth injection. With meth injection, be right at 1100. So it's a beast. It's a fun car. Handles like a dream. I've took Tyler as fast as he's ever been in a car in this car.
Yeah, it was one of the craziest experiences I've ever had, and just the raw feeling of being planted to the ground at triple digits is incredible. So Matt's always been a great supporter of us. We love Matt. We appreciate him always coming out, and we look forward to seeing him for years to come.
You cannot put that in because I have a girlfriend.